We've talked before about the butt wink, which is a loss of stability through that low back and pelvic region at the bottom of a squat. And it typically looks like just an overly rounded lower back area. One of the causes of that I want to go into today is lack of hip range of motion. So if you look at it in simplest form, if you don't have enough motion through your hip to get into the bottom of the squat, you're going to try to get that motion elsewhere in order to get that full depth. And a lot of times that will come from the low back, and it's usually the inability to have sufficient hip flexion and sometimes internal rotation motion. So I want to go over today 2 exercises that you can add in as part of a squat prep to get ready for achieving that full depth in the squat. So what you're going to do, you're going to take a mobility band like this green one down here. You're going to tie it around a squat rack or some type of sturdy fixture. You're going to lie down on your back and you're going to place your leg through the band, and I want you to try to get that band as high up in your groin as possible. So from here, you're gonna have that band pulling down on your hip. You're gonna grab your leg like so, and you're just gonna pull your knee towards your chest. For some people, it's probably not gonna feel great in the front of the hip if you try to go just straight up. You might have to come out a little bit, which is totally fine. Don't go through any pinching or pain. So you're gonna be here, and you're just gonna hold it here for about 30 to 45 seconds as that band is pulling you down, and then we're gonna relax. And we're gonna make